Hello my friend, welcome to Rosie Tasty Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make this fat burning drink with just 3 ingredients. The ingredient 1 is pineapple, and we all love pineapple. I'm going to get this pineapple prepared and clean it, wash it and shred it to use. Yes, I'll peel it. At this time I'm not really using the peel, but most of the time you can use the peel. This particular drink today I'm not using the peel, but the peel is as good as the inside. So I'm going to shred it and dice it into my pot, and I will use I'll just put it directly into the pot because it was already well cleaned. I'm going to cut all of them. You can blend it if you want to, but in this particular time I'm not blending mine. And that will bring me to adding the ingredient 2. Ingredient number 2 is ginger. As you know, ginger is really good. Even if you just shade it and put in the water, it has a very lovely flavor. So it's going to add all its hot and spicy flavor in the drink. So I've washed this ginger coloring, then I'm going to pound it with this my hammer, kitchen hammer. So I'm going to pound it and just put it like that. I'm not blending this ingredient today. So I will keep doing this till I finish pounding my ginger. After doing this, I'm going to bring you to the third ingredient. I'm just rinsing my cutter. So I'm going to add the next ingredient, which is lemon. You can use lime if you have, or grapefruit, and you can add more ingredients of your choice. So I'm going to cut this lemon, and you can squeeze the water to cool. You can cut it and play with it. I'll add other ingredients, but this is the 3 ingredients I'm using today. Now I'm going to put water just to fill it, and I will boil it. I will not boil it for too long. When I boil it up to 20 minutes, When I boil it up to 20 minutes, I'm going to put it down. Okay? Just 20 minutes. I'm just going to stir it. I'm not using onion whatsoever. The pineapple sweeten it already. This is a very nice drink to have if you are trying to lose some weight or to have a healthy bowel. It's a very, I would recommend it. You can even have it in your fridge for normal juice instead of buying juice in the market. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Look at that. So just the first boil, I've stopped boiling. I will stop boiling straight away after the first boil. Thank